Hello, a good morning everyone. This is from Dumaguete again. Where am I booked right now? Well, it's at Plaza Maria Luisa here in Dumaguete. Let's check this place out. Situated right in front of the Dumaguete Public Plaza and just a few blocks away from the boulevard. So the boulevard is right there. So you just walk up there and enjoy the Dumaguete nightlife and stay here at the Plaza Suites. They have a different kind of tricycle there. So let's enter the hotel. Not here, but here. Morning. Used to play chess when I was young. And this one is pretty interesting. It looks very antique. Morning! Morning yung breakfast?
Yes, ma'am.
Bali, buffet siya, no? Makuha lang ni. Okay. So, sige.
Wala ka bilhin kayo. Gamay na naman.
Ha?
Breakfast naman.
Let's go upstairs. Ay. Let's go up.
Taga saan kayo, ma'am?
Taga Bacolod.
Bacolod kayo.
Ikaw, sir.
Taga Cadiz. Lugay na
Taga
kami.
Cadiz, galing.
Lugay na kami, ma'am.
Ayaw, ha? Dili ka naka-ubra, galing.
Diligid ko naka-obra.
Thank you. Nice meeting you, sir. Wow, that's one from a very friendly staff who turns out to be from Cadiz. So let's get inside our room. My new room is right here, and this is the amenities. Alright, this is my room right now. It has air conditioning, television, and clean bed, toilet. Nice, clean with hot and cold shower and pail and dipper. Nice, clean, and comfortable. That's my room. A single room is $8.99. Very reasonable price, not bad. And Ken's room right here is $1,199 with free breakfast. Interesting painting done in 1971. And another interesting feature of this hotel is that Swiftlets live in the corner ceilings of this hotel. So that's a very interesting thing. These birds probably thought that this is also a nice place to build their nests. So they're right up there. So they fly and hover and circle over that area. There they are. There they are. Look at them. I think this is a cave. Very interesting painting that was made way back in 1971. This is Joan of Arc from Plaza Maria Suites in Dumaguete saying, messy hair don't care. See you again next time, and bye-bye for now. Like, share, and subscribe.